Today we are going to see how to make Ekadashi paneer recipe. Let us look at the ingredients: salt, coriander powder, garam masala and chili powder. We would need 1 cup of grated carrots, 3 medium-sized potatoes and paneer made from 2 liters of milk. We have already made a video on how to make paneer from milk, which is available on the I button on the right top corner. Now nicely mash the paneer in a bowl, add crushed boiled potatoes, mix well. Next, add the grated carrots to this. Now add the spices one after the other, starting with coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder and salt. Now mix this mixture well. Now we are going to make the paneer tikkis. One tip here is to keep the tikkis thin and small so that they cook well. Get it to a square shape so that they are presentable. We will quickly run through the other 3 tikkis. Now take a pan and place it on the stove on medium flame. Grease it lightly with ghee or cooking oil. Place the tikkis into the pan. Tip 2 here is to keep a constant eye on the flame as the tikkis tend to burn very fast. Grease the top of the tikkis with ghee or oil and turn them so they cook on both sides. Tip 3 here is that the more you add oil or ghee, the more the tikkis would roast and give you a brown roasted look like you can see. To help you turn the tikkis, you can also take the help of tongs. Jai Shri Krishna! Your Ekadashi paneer is now ready. Do try the Ekadashi paneer recipe at your homes every month. Please do let me know your comments and feedback on the comment section. Thank you.